Hello guys, Josh here, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all having a good week. Today we're taking a look at some skins, or a skin, for the Elgato Stream Deck. I've thought for ages, do they make skins for the Elgato Stream Deck? And it only occurred to me the other week, or a month ago, to Google it and see if I could find any. And I found a website called Mighty Skins, and they appear to be the only website that sells skins specifically for the Elgato Stream Deck. So I ordered one, here it is. It's white. It took about 3 weeks to get here because I'm in the US and the company is based I'm in the UK and the company is based in the US. It also worked out pretty expensive because of that. I think the actual sticker sheet was $7.50 and it cost me like $7.59 to get it shipped over to the UK. So yeah, it kind of worked out pretty pricey. I do feel a little bit ripped off, but you know, if it looks good, then maybe it'll be worth it. I mean, whichever way you look at it, $15 is not worth it for a sticker sheet, but I'll keep telling myself that. So I just went for white because I thought it'd look quite clean and minimal and contrast nicely with the black mouse pad we've got here. But yeah, they do tons of different designs and colors, so if you guys do want to check them out, I will leave a link down in the description. So I'm going to grab the camera, we'll kind of do a top-down shot probably, I'll grab the Stream Deck, and then we can go through the process of applying the stickers, see how easy it is, and then see how it looks. Let's go. Right, so I've unplugged the Stream Deck, we've got it right here. So as you can see, it is black at the moment. We're going to be applying a white skin to it. It would actually be cool if Elgato offered their products in different colors, but that is not an option at the moment. I'll show you the skin. So as you can see here, it comes with 5 different pieces. Now, unfortunately, the main piece, which is for the front, doesn't cover between the buttons. It only covers like the outer kind of edge, which is a little bit annoying, but we'll see how it looks. And then it also comes with another 4 pieces, so we've got one for the bottom here, one for the top with a little cable cut out, and then 2 for the sides. It's actually been a while since I've done one of these, so we'll see how good a job we do. Let's go. Just one more thing before we do start, they do recommend that you clean your Stream Deck before applying these stickers. That is pretty much the same with any skin application, whether it be for a phone or a console or a Stream Deck in this case. But yeah, I have already cleaned this thing, so we are ready to go. Right, let's see if we mess this up. So front piece went on successfully. It was a little bit tricky to kind of pull it off of here. It just kept kind of getting stuck, but we did manage to put it on. It's a little bit of a shame they don't have the bits running through the middle. Like, I feel like that would look so much better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But to be fair, I guess that would make it much harder to install. We've still got 4 more pieces to apply. We've got the 2 side sections, and we've got the top portion and the bottom portion as well. So once we've got all of them on, we'll be able to see how it looks overall. Second piece installed. It's actually a lot more difficult to do this on camera than you think, guys. I'm kind of like looking through the viewfinder, making sure everything's in shot. Let's do the other side. Nearly done now, we've just got the back piece to do. I nearly forgot the bottom piece. All installed then, so it wasn't too bad. It's just a case of lining up stickers really. And they are slightly reusable. So if you do kind of stick them in slightly the wrong place, you can just pull them off and re-stick them. They're not like insanely sticky. I really like the sides and the back and the bottom. Like I said earlier, I think the top would have looked so much better if they'd have gone with the lines. I just think it would have made it look more identifiable as a Stream Deck. But to be fair, I think once we've got it plugged in and we've got all the buttons lit up, then it should look like a Stream Deck again. And it should look quite nice with the kind of white contrasting on the black mouse pad. So, as expected, it does actually look a lot better than I thought it would look now that we've got all the lights turned on and all the buttons are lit up. Looks more like a Stream Deck now and less like a weird box. Especially from the side, it does actually look quite funky, I like it. And it also matches nicely with the keyboard as well, which is of course white, and the wireless charger, and the mouse as well. We need to do something about this mouse pad soon, or mouse pad rather, should I say, because we don't have that much room for the mouse. I was maybe thinking about moving the wireless charger and maybe putting it over here and drilling a hole. So yeah, if you got any ideas for that, let me know. We could just get a bigger mouse pad, I guess. I know SteelSeries do like the absolutely huge ones now, but they just look a little bit insane. Just going back to this, I think the white looks fairly clean and minimal. Does contrast quite nicely with the black mouse pad, but I think if I was going to pick up another one, I'd go for like one of the crazy designs. Like I said, they do tons of designs. They do like space prints and all sorts. So I think if you're going to go to the trouble of customizing your Stream Deck, you might as well kind of go all out and get something funky instead of just going for white. But I mean, fairly high quality skins, they were easy to apply. And yeah, if you want to customize your Stream Deck, then this is the way to do it. Alright, so Stream Deck skins, let me know what you guys think to them down in the comments. Would you pick one up for yourself, assuming you have a Stream Deck? As I mentioned earlier, if you do want to check them out, I'll have them linked down in the description below. If you got any questions or anything, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll definitely get back to you. Or just feel free to say hi and you know I'll say hi back. If you enjoyed the video today, guys, a like rating would be much appreciated. It helps me out. And hit that subscribe button if you're new. We have tons of new content coming before the end of the year. And I know I keep saying this, but I just want to say thank you once again. Channel is absolutely flying at the moment. We're like totally on track to hit 50k before the end of the year, which is just crazy because that was like the ultimate goal at the start of this year. So thank you. You can catch all the behind the scenes stuff on Instagram or Twitter at Tesseract. But yeah, with that being said, hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll catch you all in the next one.